Sweet.
Chala. Welcome to the exciting podcast. Podcast Yabantu, podcast Yotumo. Yeah. My name is Newman Trinket and I'm your host again. Today we are going to be very excited to have our own. Yeah. Mfano wasekas. And
intro Chinese skill.
ngizama ukuthi
Gently
special. Like understand.
Asiqothi introduce lesindebele right.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Newman Trinket and welcome to the Lokshin podcast. Excitingly today, it's too blind Jan. I guess indebe banazayo ithi sanibonani bakithi salamukela ku podcast yethu iLokshin podcast. Ibizo lami nguNewman Trinket, uDayimana, ubaba kaNozi, ubaba kaSunshine. Yeah, yimloyo. Welcome my guy, my boy. Maphena linjani baba?
Siyaphila kuNewman linjani?
Siziphilile maphena, siziphilile. Indaba ezimnandi. Selibona kuma sayi team yethu enkulu, team yethu edume. Thola abafana beTwitter. The Twitter boys are going back to the Premier League. Yeah. So angazi, what's the feeling baba? What's the vibe? How much are they capable? I know it's not your first time though, but going back there, said get la figure with Division 1 and that one hey madoda. Laba sifuna. How's the feeling? Take us through.
Akubuyelo ngale baba. Ngala ubuyelo ngale baba Division 1 ngahlala bena.
Yeah.
Sirayeli siphezulu khona ngale koza ngale kafiwa.
Nah.
Wakhona team is relegated.
I'm part of the team relegated trial.
Serious. And you're the part of the team really. Yes, I will try.
Feel njani thi? Just keep it team.
The feeling ngana vele iba khona before le relegate. Ngabe kuna makhonga vele abusihamba vele la uthi abamanya buchayisana la uzethwa laba bafuna urelegate isi team yabantu abafana abancane. Lokho ncane lokho. Sasingayenza konke but amagama ehlangana la ngomuntu olana waqina ngenhliziyo vele ayambona.
Yathi kuba le player thing ukuzizwa.
Vela ngeke udlala.
Yeah.
Kuzokunye kwakhona yabukuzwa from abantu abaduze lawo.
Yeah. Abantu bayibomile bebe
kusapota nje.
Okunye kuyabuya eziflag ijoke but yabona njalo ijoke.
Uzokuthi nje dawukwani nje.
Right. But kwamanje kumeze kube ifuel entweni yakho yenzayo kungabi into umuntu akuthetha lapha nosozudlala uhambe prove yini. Ngesikhathi uprove yena wena iprofile yakho yaqanza.
Too much.
I think ukuqinisa noma kuyijuka ukuthi awufile wena.
Yeah, but ngase kubona suqalisile. Nje awufile uqalisile. Yeah.
Because ama-jokes sometimes bakhona abantu abajoka ngendlela nokuthi yabefuna ukuthi uqine vele. Khona umuntu ongasoze ukutshela straight ukuthi hayi wena ibhora lazi njani. Hayi khona kana bengakufuni vele because abanye bethu singatshelwa into enjalo. Yakho ikhanda vele even sasengumfana omncane yaqhaza.
Nje Clement wakwawuthi
vele awusoze wafa ukutshela kuno lo.
Khothi ukuthi
awusoze wafa ukutshela ungazi uye ngaphi kuyehlala ufile vele.
Indawo nawukwazi.
Wona ukwazi lutho. Inde msechasa lo muntu okutshela ukuthi wona ibhora lazi ayaxabana laye. Ayaxabana laye vele
kakhulu.
Vele.
Uthi uyalazi. Seyenze. So going back to Clement, that's a good one. Clement is the one who took you back from your grassroots brand.
But I think that was sesihambe kakhulu phambili singaqalisa emuva ngala abantu yakhuluma bangazi ngubani angazi introduce kanti
serious
wona ukhuluma ukuthi ngubani mina
ngithethe usile celebrity leli anavele ukuthi wonke umuntu uyamazi uMabheni
akula ndawo ukuthi ngicelebrity kumeze bebe ngazi abantu
lokwazi sharp boza
bakhona abanye abangazi ngokumbona kuphela bengakwazi ngenza ngani.
That's true lapho lokani but ngahamba eTarini abantu bayakukhombela lokho. Awafiki.
Akwezi. Kukhona la vele kuningi.
Akwezi.
Kuningi. Even eTarini vele kade simasela amanzi akhambile.
Serious?
Hayi. Yakuthetha hayi sikhambile wethu. too much amabhasto.
Tanya.
And
Alright, so this is an opportunity to introduce yourself, my guy.
Nebizo lami kuthiwa courage Tanya Mabheki. Nivele wakati Tanya.
I love it. It's your courage, cabanga. Alright.
Courage ifirst name, Tanya second name.
Okay.
So ungezwetha umuntu esithi courage, ngezebe kwazi dalo umuntu obengazikhathesi.
Alright.
social media. But because umuntu esithi Tanya zebe kwazi dalo umuntu ongazi.
Okay.
Kufana na mina town phela ulight kwesinye isikhathi ngiyamignore. Ukuthi asweet. Banye umuntu esimundi.
Sikwazi ukuthi ayile kompo.
Ungathola ithi kwazi dali fendi.
Yeah. Sure nice one.
Yeah, so vele kokwenzela. But abantu into Clement. uClement maybe mina impilo yami uyazi ukwedlula ubaba.
Okay.
Even ngathi uMasalo, ayikukani uMasalo obviously yabe ungiyo but uClement ungazi phakathi lapha.
Like this.
Because 3/4 vele nguyade khona empilweni yami.
Yeah.
So okunto khona
from under xa under ba
under 10.
Under 10.
Unyaka ukhona lo.
Ngisekusho but ama picture manje asasekhona ka 2012. 2014.
Yeah.
Picture manje saselama
Under 10.
Krese yulengaki?
That is in the 20.
Yeah.
So 10 years ago ngo 2016 yika join khona. But lama photos is 2012.
Mina futhi azange ngadlala ku like maybe let's say under 14. Mina ngile under 14 ngasenza maybe under 16. Anzange ngadlala age group yami yiyo vele ukuthi wayehlala esiqalisisa. Why?
Ngiyakhumbula.
Because kalesi abantu uthola abantu ababebelieve ukuthi ne20s abantu bakuthi lo mdala mba wayehlisi.
Because tell sikubone boring like that. I think that's what happens even labo yama labo Messi ukuthi abazothi awu Messi ndalo
uyafika
ukuthi qala sukumbone le 16 years eground then sukumbona selabo 10 years to come sesiga uthanya sengumdala
yeah no mphalo
la sesengumdala
ngalo sana
ulingana sana njengafaka iminyaka yami ebantwini nje
ethule Ucheke kwini.
But usala kansithi ngokhulu mina isize yabozidala like so mina retire.
Serious.
But umchenge 2 years. But unayipora usadla sakwazi ukugijima.
Nje azuthi into engiyenzayo nje
kwanza ukugijima namanzi kumakweli. Nawuthengele le ground.
Athana mina nje ngingisithakathi ukuthi awukwazi kuhle nje. Let's ukuthi awunimandile la. Amele siziswe
sokuthi in terms of fitness ithanya ukhona unye uthi awuvumi uthi umdala une 35 years ngagijima udlula mina.
Hayi. Khona lapho siyafikisana kumapheni.
Serious.
Khona lapho siyafikisana kumapheni. Avelele kwantu umuntu omdala. But bakhona abantu abadala sengachayisana nabo ukuthi
njengoba
yamangala. Kare sukhona umuntu othiwa nguzibusiso Dambo but yena bamazi kuthiwa nguNani maybe amazi lawo empopo
Nani
awugijima nani phela kude
Japan nani isize yethu
awugijima 93
nani sasihlala la emsikazi
uNani dami ngiyanciva incawo
uNani umandivu phela
right now upip test ngiyagijima nje ngiphume ngimtshela ukuthi gijima so sometimes I don't think ukuthi maybe ngiya ngeminyaka hayi insurance yomuntu
lesi ngabo Cristiano Karezi vele kasagijima
ngabe kuya ngeminyaka phela awuna nagijima unene gijima go serious zibi
so kade ngifuna ukuthi like through your journey isabu Clement think kwakuyi streams kuyangiconfuse sometimes like ngiconthela idrinking ngomchini
isithomo sabo Mvelo ubeke labo Karen
alright
putazi sengadlala ibhora including uPlonto okhanyile Karezi premier akula elinye level elidlula leZimbabwe level ogcina lebhora athi putazi kula ama talent esingachayisana la ukuthi la khathi silami lokungakachayisani la yabona kulabantu sithi uPlonto labo
i-team stream lesi yakhuluma ngaso ukutshela ngaso
uPlonto labo khanyile uKaren exactly but uJunior nophansi ukuhamba uJunior because sathona ibudlala yanda 16
alright
so yarara
okay phela bonke abantu okhuluma ngabo bonke laba badlala e-division 1
abanye bakupremier
wena phela lesikhuluma amabizo like uKaren udlala eNkayi
uNkayi
uPlonto Talent Vision
beke uKezimayini khanyile uTalent Vision
chakuvala chakuvumdala
uchachafa phambi kwethu
right
Junior Wadrogwa isithunzi almost abantu
yadroga nje
isithunzi almost abantu abafika nge7 lokho besadlala ibhola nabadlali ibhola kanti maybe baku division 1 most of them abanye sebeku premier
I pick up to you, Coach Clement. Yabona ukuthi J Lights into engithola ngutshela yini. Imagine Zikhares produces 7 players abadlaleli like bonke isibili abadlala professional football. Straight from the ground ku level. That's something ish.
Credit yonke uCoach Clement but yanyawazi la ulabanye bakhe asebenza.
Yeah.
Usakhiphi.
Ayikhokhana nje nxa a face of the team so uyasiyaza cha yeah but thanks for that yeah.
Bathi kwasuthi kulabadala bethu abahluphayo samandlo. Abanye sibakhohle phela. Ibasihlupha sibe ukuthi la yabantu sometimes la unqa once yawona bese ngabafana. Nxa ubona ngambona upaleke but is on safe into yakho yabe right because yabe ngakhuthi ukubona usezinto eziphuma endleleni. So like uJenny nale ngabe ngikhamba la ukhona kule role abeyidlala labe awayidlala.
So like sithi makhokho community certain group of fathers but ukuthi athina enyanga ngikubone like kasuze cha umfana omncane lo kavunyelwe vele lathi sesikwazi ukuthi kavunyelwe ukuthi umugwayi kathenga ibhiya kabonakali vele ethwele ama substances kanjalo and then nxa engakhulile mentality yakhe ukuze eziqalisele yena yedwa yes mina don't associate myself with this. I think that's a good mentality and it helps the community kakhulu so when epema
I am Mpembe
kudasenatha
ukunatha amazena but sengabe nathi utshwala angizange ngathi yena sengabe natha but uyakumbona akazumbone natha but asikocala beunatha phambi iminyaka yokunatha sengayidlela sephawu yavunyelwa ungene
kodwa lokho kulalo kanti abe makhokho bama players esizela ukubona natha selile properly
ayikho ngosamandlo yedwa la unje so umuntu engihlonipha ukuthi anyeke ngenze izinto phambi kwakho
kakhulu
into yakho nayasukela ukemini ngazimncane because into lapho lifundisa umncane charity begins at home so ingabe azayisa kufunda ngale ngabe kade singambisi behave mina ngidla ku premium diamonds antshelani
kakhulu like to the audience even ನಮ್ಮ viewers is one of the disciplined boy ekasi asiyasimbone silwa lo nxa wakhe sometimes asibali like ezizinto ezinhle we must say like because ukuthi abantwana labo be inspired
but man nje uhlala emakhokho ukhulele emakhokho ifight yakhe ukugcina yayini
ukulwa lo muntu sibe but azamkhuluma maybe sekulabo maybe 10 years futhi asukulwa sithwanyalo hayi nganga
urathi uchawu umuntu
apart ground bese ground bese uvuka umsindo ukuthi umuntu befile kokwana ukuba exactly ucula siba fame emuntwini maybe ucula ubamba ipolo umphusha exactly
but ithiwa emcimbini vele sebesidelele bafana laba bayahlanya
hayi manje khona vele azivela asitholakala into enzenjalo but eparty nekwanza ukuhamba but obvious eparty maybe yakule tent abantu behlezi phakathi there is always indawo yabemnyama ukuthi because futhi izimele khona ubukele because for mina kulula ukuthi ngitholakala ngihlezi eparty umuntu ekhathane ngizoom ethatha picture epost Facebook ngiyatrend and then for minute imidlala ukwathi ukuthi aziwathi twa singamanzi ama Twitter boys senza njani thina sidla kakhulu social media but bala mangala
amaninjas
but I'm loving the work ezwa ithini like blind yazi ukuthi even lama pages aba social media kuyayenza ukuthi even la angazi ukuthi how does it feel like la uli player kuyavithi ema ninja
iphambili yiko ngikutshela ukuthi so for me ukuthi misbehave kuyenza because one mistake isengihambile because impilo social media vele team yethu so nabe izinto encane uphela umuntu enthathe
social media boy
isengihambile
kakhulu qathekile ukuzibamba. What's your fear besides social media maybe? What's your biggest fear in life?
I'm a name, but if you am in life, you would impede playing peel and one mama may peel. Is a guinea continue to be a pillar. I don't know food to the last I think it's about but look when you look with impede put a sing I suffer for to win Zaka. But in the make sure what I saw you would see Lapin Kuleko and again, Bonum make cooler is pretty sangai. ephumula lokho kuyinto esiyenza hayi sekukhulile adathi lami sengikwazi ukuthi ngikole so mase la isikhathi sokuphumula ebekwazi ukuthi mantende umntana nami kuyabuya lokhu dalokho
sure lokhu ka December applause ngisho ukuthi yayo wathi wakhuluma izinto ezile kale simfake kwenye indawo ngicela ukuthi emotional ngithobile nje obviously that's a good thing to inspire other young people to say you want to literally this is a change mina ngiyathanda ukubukela iBlood Chiefs ama games amaningi kakhulu and I've seen you playing yabona elinye touch up from the side from the side turn other half to the other half ukupasela cina sihlohlile and then ngithi chobo lo fit lo how does that feel then
into esikhuma ngayo ngama injuries and yabona ngoba igame uphuma ngayo kuma ye-rentals waso into yakhona waso it's like we niye yet so far saseduze kakhulu ukuthi singene sibuyele ku Premier Party sasikhatshana futhi kwaso ngoba ngokugcina phela nalawa ayise critical ukuthi win 1-0 sasiyidinga siwine 1-0 sikhambe so right
yabo kwakufena ungaka kanje
Chuani abantu abasebenzisa wake 1-0 and besikhothi second half besikhothi second half siwo ipressure seqala kathi iBlood Chiefs lama support ipressure seqala sile phandle ngalabantu seqala ukukhuluma ama-crowd ehlala yake yakusiza umuntu nxa ekhuluma seqala ukukhuluma lo coach la usubona coach sene pressure and into ayibhowa manje ngesikhathi sonetha kebe kuyimntu mfana omncane ground
ezinezema ngezindawo
abantu abadala obokuthi kwakwazi ukuthi bekubiza umuntu ekubize like wanje konomkolo labo ma trip ngama senior ekubize mfana lapha sesikhangelele kuwo ule power le technique ungathola ibhola sometimes ungabhasi khabele gedi
and it works
and kwasebenza ngena ngikona because kwabayi one pass from our own half la kiwo umuntu engampasanga ngamthola lokho isaligcina ibhola akhatha back akhabele gedi la ngeni ibhola kona it was not a good goal kwaba ye classic goal but
let's
say but vele sathe sabale confidence sabalanda abantu xa sesihlohlile futhi after ubahlohla kokona futhi xa sesikhuthile amagoli
because that's the confidence ending lokho momentum again
so sometimes abantu babesithi maybe nxa ngifana omncane ukuthi ube ngose ground yabo protected sometimes you protected but aso kunzima sometimes
babe sebekhalele
umthwalo wakho nabawufaka ku ezomfana omncane azwana
Because jalo unanzelela even wanxa sidlala ibhola ku level laba singafaka umfana omncane mfana omncane uyasijayela yakhanye phela ukuthi ngumfana omncane
iyayenzani kodwa
yabona mijishi njengawise so I think my next question would be like which was your favorite game like
favorite game
yawazi le wahlohla and you feel like
I favorite game
ale uthi sibili ngakholisa ngathi ngiqedwe game la ngise dressing room I was like machita lamhla this was my best feeling
game type la Warriors but anye ngichoose ngithi because kule enkayi futhi enkaya adlohlanga sa draw ayikho sithi ayikho favorite yami that much
laba ngeke ngithe one
uluza nyawuzoni vele futhi asinencane ground ngiwa too emotional even kwabanye bami xa senchinga because awuluza ngifuna nguthanda even as a training
uthingile labo bhudazi vele
inda bhudazi ebhola ansesebenza basiyagola phela ngalo se primary and secondary lapha siyagola semsebenzini so bhudazi semsebenzini ikhona respect nalana ukuthi alo umuntu omdala kunambaji akuna bhudazi so lesikhathi sokuthi hayi asifakele ubhudazi ecele
kulabasizi
because lami ngenza mistake iyashawuthi mfana irent ifubhadalwa ngami umntana amulele ngadlanga but athule chance ukuthi uyenze so lama ayemisa ngamtsheli
yami ngitshela ukuthi masalo imelile
because right now siyakhuluma ngidle 20 years uyahleka kube ngani into omdala but maybe send 3 years or 2 years ngile responsibility engangokuthi ngikhaba khangelelekile not kwamafanizi wona impilo yangikhaya yazi
too much
ubaba yimi ekhaya yabo so kulezi izinto futhi engingazenziye senziwa isize zami ayisithi ukuthi ngibangifuna uzenza but ngazenza i-outcome yakho nabe ngiyayo
that's true sir
because mina akabe ekhaya
awuphusha umswengo
Siqinize sikubuza kathi kanti indaba nje abanye ama player bebethutsha ngesweke njalo
oyina siyabona sinjalo
and but vele kukhona khokha how do you handle those
vele ama player lakho vele ithi labeli liphi
exactly nami lapho sibile kuzinto kwangikhona but angikuyenzi too much kukhona phela ukuthi Putas
but player la just want njengama player Harare nje ukuthi I won't say names though but yakhona ama player Harare abaningi ukuthi ukuthi laba baswenkilo baba that is sasukujunction eJemerson hotel lo mntu sasimele so umntu akuhlangana baba then kwasokuthutha ama players eScotland Fatiza awusiba chita shap and then edoliyana angazi ukuthi maybe lokhu zenini ukuthi ama players ahlanganela khona abe Scotland babe at this side then kwasokuthutha ama players ay 2-3 ababevela this side asasibona ukuthi
hayi labasanele abaningi
laba sokuchiyeni la ngaba player laba ngabe D1 laba ngabe Premier but not Scotland yakubona ukuthi akulama levels like what you are saying ukuthi
azange uScotland ngasokuvumila sometimes izinto kankulu
awufisi la Scotland
kukhona ngafisi udlela kafanele umbuzo amfundlela eMadrid akuyivele ngendaba yani
so like can I say Zimbabwe lonke player like i-target yakhe vele ukuthi ingasake uScott
ngithola imessage alright ukuthi uzotryela ukuthi kuzodlala hayi kuzotryela sikuboni
machita
uyameka sure ukuthi bakubone
ngilama shooters alensimbi ezicijileka ngihambe lawo lama phethe training konke vele
so thana kade songawo ukuthi lapha nothi sesiba honest ukuthi maybe sesingathi ukuthi mina ngi-striker funa compare lo Sala ngithi awusala nje awusala blind awusala ingoals lezi zinto eziningi konke uzenza mina ngazikwanisi so wena nxa ukele national team lapha do you feel like ukuthi aba right labana abakhona lapha aba blind hayi angafiki mina mbeni lawo uyafeel ukuthi awula
but as ePoreni sometimes you might say something engasozifike kahle umuntu abantu uhlukene start izinto ezihlukene yabo so sometimes it's better ukuthi ukhulume usufikile because isungakwanisa ukuthi ukhulume umuntu ungasafika ngikhona ngale usosiba ngale point proven ukuthi vele wawungadeserve ukuthi ube khona ngale but ngiyabukela lami bora ngibe lokuthi that angingile feeling yokuthi I don't ngamdlula hayi but ngiyabe le feeling yani ukuthi I wish ngabe kuyini
alright
not ukuthi hayi lona lapha ngiyamdlula
hayi awumdlula
Putas kwasko flow ukuthi umuntu efike ku national team yasko flow kulokwa
but you have let's feel so ukuthi ayishingabe yimi benyenza lokhu different
yabo
benidlala so
maybe umuntu nalodlala ngoba into ethine senza sibe ngama different players eground zama abilities ahlukene kulomunye umuntu ukuthi uyafika in a certain position yena umuntu wakhona maybe laba no Kevin De Bruyne ule high vision yokuthi uyakwanisa ukupasa ibhola ecuna umuntu ephuma sekhaya lo keeper but umuntu ompasileyo akasakwanisa ukufika ecune finish but for mina maybe ngabe nento mindset ukuthi but lapha I can shoot and for mina it's half chance yakwanisa ukungena ngoba yakwanisa bayikhona but vele into engazela vele dangerous into ngabe sithi maybe ngabe yimi ngabe ngenze different than yini but not ukuthi better than yini
hayi uyazithemba njani
different but better
yakwanisa ukungcono
yabo
awukuzona le player but yakwanisa ukungcono kule player
akho ngcono umuntu baphutha umkambeli manga phandle la
okay so wena like ePorena nje wona ama fans really ungangena ePF lapha hayi awuthethiswa background lapha nqa uyakuthethiswa like kanengi ukuthi zwasini ukuthi
uzibona mama bamthethisa
ngizakhuluma into le but into le for i-podcast yala I think umeze kube credit meze yenza imali ngayo because ngesifiso sami ngamfu uyakhulumela sengiphambili maybe ucine senza i-credit yakho Putas nathi so umuntu engimaziyo emakhokoba bayimkhangele eBF ngisathi ibhore la yini ngibiza uma first game yami
wayenze ingene
ngimkhangela umuntu so and after game wabuya wanilanda wathi good game mfana msahamba sonke endlini sesixoxela zibe lo muntu wakhonhlala kwaba emakhokoba yamazi
wena
but feeling at that moment yona
umuntu support the opposite team so akawungena into engayenza yabo but umuntu ngimkhangela lothu ukuthi maybe ese
umuntu yakhe phezulu
abantu abaningi ngiyathopa ibhola la yini ngimkhangela umuntu
wena ndihlememezi nje
so into le ngingake lesifiso sokuyikhuluma sengiphambili ukuthi nathethwa umuntu maybe emphila la yabo but anyways
akuyaphuwa nje
yabona Putas
because eso eTopela ziyaphuma
last year wangascore first game maybe kwasuke fourth game but kwayi first game yami uba ku starting team starting lineup sasidlala le Dynamos eBF indi kwakuyi first time yami ukudlalela eBF uthiwa ngiyadlala not ukuba part of the team sidlala eBF but ukudlala ngizawutshela something but sikule ngalise camp kule breakfast kulanlani maybe ngadli breakfast obule osapho angizaye ngadla
ukhedi
Putas ngaphathela umngane kulomngane omthiwa ngisele mayo inkazana nguye ngamnika after game udla kwami konke angikuhlanganisi nakufaka nguye ngamnika lokulala ngalala nzima ngicabanga ukuthi like anye ngiqamba manga ngesikhathi sakhona kulabantu abanjengobo Shandirwa umudali mina ngathi ngesikhathi ngathi ngu division 1 bona basebedlala ku Premier ND iDynamos yabo labo junior lana yayithisi
ehamba ngefamasi
exactly caba ke la kuse training angaze ku starting la coach yazofika wathini kimi angazi coach maybe indlela yabo la ukuthi be boost umuntu confidence wafika wathi kimi this week ngodlalayo yabona labanye abantu badlalisa abafile on blind ula hayi training imputa siyakutshela ngande feeling ukuthi ande bafile sabe sisiye camp breakfast ngadla so kusiya ngale imputa singandicabanga ukuthi phela sasathiwa imidlalayo la
hayi it's fasting inshallah
salala ekuseni breakfast ahlala ngo3 breakfast sadla anzange ngadla nganika omunye umuntu sabuya sesiyawudla lunch ngafaka abantu repair ngavuyela eroomini ngazidalela cause ngangi avoid into la nokuthi ngicabanga ngegame cause apho kasi iDynamos umuntu onkunye
yeah
so
ayisabudlula ibhoso nje
akula team ngisaba but you need service I need service I need service
Nayithi bekulu nje itibari nje.
hayi ibhoso inkulu
isikhathi sichaya someze seground siphume emaromini sengena
ngasithanda namajezi ngiqanisana
utasi nje wonke umuntu lapha lokho endlanda bana mihane sithembeweni yazi ngenzani enqase bhasini nqase maybe seground yasihamba sihlabela like ukuchiya ngafaka ama-earpods but izwi but likely kulama senior teamini kulo muntu uthethwa nguJoe ase experience player wadlala ko Shabani Mayini ko Chikenini wandanda sesifike e-dressing room ngoba neBF bathi zwani ungafaka ama-earpods khiba ama-earpods beyasohlabela hlabela futhi ngazidala lapha sengingeni lesibili amegemini saphuma sechayo map so nxa ukuphuma labana kuthanile nxa ukhangele ngoba labantu yabona abantu bakhona sili but sachayo map saphenduka sakhe uref wabe kwesithi amasapu asambenini sasala ke sesizothe mbona sesingu-level phela la akusela maye ukuthi maybe ngaziduduza ngithi asibanengi
uvele ucoach ethi hayi sentshintshile
sephumile sehambile seground so selethina sesihlabela la wakwahlabela uzibuze ekhanda ukuthi mababa uNkulunkulu wami
namhlanje
ukuthi azimtshela ukuthi zathi siphuma kuthanyeli sisithi
atmosphere isitshintshile
aqalisa ngafa beDynamos ukuphuma umsindo engawuzwe emashona lendi
wena
umsindo iBF yasinda phela futhi iyasinda iBF lonke ukuthi maybe sithi iloni yakho nabingaqunywa hayi yona ngikwayo yezwa ukuthi hayi lapha
atmosphere la yanyanyisila nje
that's ngachawa lo valo so yathi khali impembe maybe for 15 minutes sadlala ngangafuni ukuthi maybe i-teammate yami imbhasi ibhora mina ngangifuna uzimakela mapase benza abakwenzayo bona but kulomunye umfana othiwa ubhutwa kuthiwa nguPerfect Chigwembe I think lamazama umuntu oyazakalayo wadlala ku Platinum umfana wakhe kuthiwa nguTjani so umfana wakhe lona vele uyanithemba like maybe e-training before wahlala nje someza udlale wena wambizwa wathi ndoda ayisuthanye imaziyo lo zwana zama ukuthi yenze into ezingcono
iground kona phela
seground wambhasa futhi asibhora in between abantu lapha la ngathena from there futhi asangangena egame ukuthi ngase ngikholisa ngazi ngafile like maybe Dynamos team encane ngasakhona because ngase ngikholisa
umafisa mdala usubapasa kathi sitwa
right ngangena Facebook page yami ikhona ivideo yangikhona I think uCaptain ungangijalayo ngomba sengikhohle but wawa.
Yebo baba.
Wawa ngepema va umuntu wawa phansi.
Chibili. Awusujalayo nje nomfana wena.
From then vele hayi confidence zami zathi zabuya vele akula game. And another game engayidlala engayifila ngani maybe inzima. Kwa first time yami udlala against uJamson.
Wesa kutimbala lapha.
Hayi uSimba beze bethatha
Simba bora. Alright.
So kutaza koko kuthile ukuthi kuloba yabantu yabona lo swenkile lo.
Umuntu
Like uthanele. Wonke ngangibona ukuthi lo phela ishuta zayigqulile licha lo. And lapha no evela national team. Kwaku first game yakhe phela. Ubona umuntu eshuta licha vela. Abantu umuntu lo uyafika lokho
Yeah.
and the big name phela lesikhuluma ngayo.
Try ora.
Kulalo
umuntu le ora.
Kulalo sekuchickenini uthiwa ngukawe lo uthiwa nguvasikawe.
Eh,
Gitayo so.
Eh.
So dwa ngasendlela against yena ahlala ngibona ama videos iwin. So kodwa zamana vele eboreni kula into lani khona ukuthi uyakukhangela into ezenziwa ngabanye abantu because obvious ngama arrivals akho mase ubekwazi iweakness yakhe lesenze.
Yeah.
Kuthasi yaqalisa igame. Yazi yaphela. Lokho ngitshela ukuthi hayi bazatshintsha. Abazasilanda maybe iSimba bhola le ebakhuluma ngayo but
Salibalanda nje.
basithola free kick.
Ledlokaze.
Kwanzima. Sathi siphenduka ucoach selefezoni because lapha sesiku relegation but asangwazona.
Ukuyana uthi lichovile manje.
Ngibona phela so manager nje iSimba bora banothi because babechizile kokuJamson phela.
Babechizile but from then confidence zabuya akuya ama game kwasoyikho kwasokusifana maybe udlala against wena ku level social. Yabo because ibhola into eyi.
So yeah angazi so kwaba nomunye coach besides uClement the
Umakwe.
from junior police yakhe to what is your stars wahloya ku la Chiefs.
Hayi cheni yangu khona alithiwa uRestars ngabo Ajax.
Alright Ajax empopho ma
So into yakhona vele futhi ngabona into yakhona vele kungani kunye kwenzakalayo phakathi ku stream sethu sengutshela ngaso kwathi utshona abadlala ku division 2 most of them sasuka kuma juniors athi sa ku division 1
wena
yebo mina ngathi ngisuka ngaku Ajax ngahamba lo Magwaya lona.
alright
Karen lo Beki baya ku Ndlovu ngidinga umvelo la ku Ajax sihamba le
ngizele
then the second year ngibona futhi mina ngabuyela ku Ajax la uKaren isikhatha khamba khona eDubai.
Alright
Then
feels like yesterday.
exactly. Then Ajax futhi asikho i-team enkulu but isikhatha khona la yayingane ya strike yani ku relegation.
Right.
So i-team indiyana so i-second year indi ngani kongani vele ngangizivambile e-teamini so nganisenza noma yini. So I remember igame kule game yangenza thina siyaphilela ku Caps sahlala eFollows. Follows ifana la ku Levy. So I think exactly so I was like isikwakho vele into engijayelile.
Yeah, nomhlanga shayi.
Sadlala
beach so
right sadlala 2-1. Sadlala 2-1 ngahlohla igoyo i1 yakho. So from then ngasaphenduka endlini and then ngathola imessage efonini yami lo muntu ofake message ngumfana othiwa ngicourage mina wathi ngiyakudinga kulo muntu okudingayo ku Caps. So ngisikhathi sangibona I thought maybe into yokudlala watshela ukuthi anza kunjani ngizakudinga ngoDecember because wa include lo way wathi kulo mfana futhi uthiwa nguwe manje chethi into lo yansazanga ngambuza nje into yokudlala because maybe wasosele 5 games sadlala saqeda December. Ngidinga umuntu omfonela futhi wanje afana hlala ni ready libe fit because January liyahamba. Since ivele ngumfana ka Clement ngabuyela kuba bami coach lapha kwenza into ezileso so la I think wakuthatha light wathi asizabona ngaye ngaphenduka. Wathi ngomhla ka 28 December 29 ulwana wafona.
Serious.
Manje isikhwama manje ready because imhla ka 5 lifuna ka training. Umuntu lo serious lo. khona ngiqasa lamlungisa isikhwama sembuza lo we kwakhuluma nomdudu uyithi ndoda lami vele kwaba lungisa isikhwama azwana senze njalo ngihlakatile umuntu efoni madoda kusasa liyagada
wena
khona sibase ngimfonele afa i-transport imali ye-transport wathi sebenzisana imali bafika belinika phansi ngikhathi ifoni umuntu uyamuzwa yini bathi siyahlala nga ngimfonele futhi afa accommodation madoda lina libizwe ngiteam kule ndlu ye-team lafika hlala endlini ye-team sasa sivuye sithatha izikhwama sigade silamadawo ethu nalawa sigade sefika nxa sifika Harare sifonele futhi ngezinamba madoda lapha kulomuntu osirefele ethu asuke solithatha etown selinga sinkethi nga ebuye zosithatha xa sesithengele ukudla isibisile lapha sasikhona simelele umanager we-team we-Caps umanager we-Caps ebuye sithatha sihle sithengele almost igrocery 1 month singakafiki la sendlini lapha esihlala khona sithengele igrocery esibuze lifunani simtshele lokhu lalokhu sihanjiswe endlini nxa sifike endlini umanager sithi hayi lapha sitrain eground inenje so but mina ngihlala nesitito so nxa lifike training siyayisambani sonke but sithi njani litravelile kusasa itraining yaqala but lingabuyi thina nje abantu bona abantu benkomponi futhi phela mina ngageza sengirive nentini njani but ngavele ngigeze isikhazi thina amanager siyabuya se-training siyavuka sibuya kuyo nje sihambe training labanye savuka ekuseni za training thola sibile ama-big names ngawusaze lo coach lwethu sithembe lapha into somdala siya-communicate simafana so ucoach I think ucoach uthanda abantu abadala wayenemanzi lana ukuthi thina sibuye as ama-trialist engakwazi ukuthi umnikazi wethu umuntu wangujeri nguye esibonile yabo so kwakunokunye ongani uyi-treatment so but ebonda hala abafana abagood but kunokunye uyi-treatment satrain almost 4 days imbuzi weyijeki lapha uyabona ukuhamba njani la senze njani because akula muntu osekwasilanda just even assistant coach esithetha abafana bami mina likhona kuma plans but ama players like oDivon Chaff lakathi soke ngikhuluma la wandlanda amafana one good player but mezulungisa into ezinje so uthi asesikhulile vele siyahamba manje ngithole advice from Divon Chaff yabo I'm not things put as lo mrwela la yo sase kukhepha sikasanko training ibuye enye week is-training futhi uyihamba nami lapha sesingasayinwa sibili but singarejistwa yini i-player chips ibhizi sifake i-pressure uthuthi mina mfuna idlalisa lina buyanini akakwazi ku-Caps thina siyabuya coach until uziba efika ngikhaya umasalo wamthetha awuthanya kakusiharare ikuthi usemfuna kathi uku-Caps awunje kodwa lokhu sithi njani uyabuya mina coach ngiyabuya and then umanager wasilanda wathi abafana bami sazama ukukhuluma lo coach la ucoach uthi selibonile uyalifuna loma plans but lokho esimtshela ukuthi nika kwini abafana ama contract phela behlala bekwazi banga basethimini but ngani uyadelay so mina lo isathi azwana nje aswele endlini asifocala yini ulo ndoda eyada wayebuye wazobukela i-training asimazi lathi undoda wangona then sathina kathungelana khona emini kwabe kuye umnikazi we-team lelo wangujeri waxoxa then wasebuza ukuthi kula bafana bamamandebela ayi-2 abeli apha bangani so yet coach wasemanga ukuthi umnikazi we-team kulabantu abanethi wabona kusukuma thina yabo so I think kwaba lisho ukuthi abafana laba right kwasokulethi sasesidecide bethu ukuthi asisibeka safika endlini sapheka akula lo manager simtshelanga safika sapheka izikhwama zethu zwi siyakhamba kusasa sifonile lapha ebusuku yangikhona madoda silibone ku-Caps lapha but ngani into zihambe kahle training sasa uyada ngesikhathi esinje ngingagada ngene etown kulo muntu ozabe ezolithatha ngemoto elihambisa e-training
nabe ngilosezikayi2 futhi
khame endlini hayi zwani aqale siye-trainer sizagada ntambama ibhasi yantambama masifika ngane vele sithole vele i-4 ground asitrain futhi asitrain uyada unfortunately kwangakabi lo coach isikhathi konke wayebanga decide wawuzo assistant coach ethi azwa nini lingasayindawo liyasiyalifuna but manje sa cross indawo ukuthi umuntu uyasitshela ukuthi akula masayini ngone uyada yabo so asike
ngibani umanager lo
hayi assistant coach akula masayini ngone
njani akula nto njani
kwathiwa thina ka2 sathina kuseni basinika ukudla sadla thina ayizwa nini siyabe sifika ngasuka etown sangena etown sase sagada ibhasi sathi wakubhasi ka5 sagada ibhasi saphenduka safika ngapha ngo4 ekseni then the following day ngavuka mina siyathina ku11 uClement uyiwathi na uBlawo Chiefs kwakuyi Tuesday Wednesday babe travela besiya eGwebu kule friend uye base bampika etraining ka1 wamfonela mina ndoda coach yade kudinga labe sithi ungapi kanti ukhamba njani uyabuya yini mina ngisaphuma lwana lo coach Clement izabona ngenze njani wathi mina sengapikwa ndoda njani sile friend
ukuthi zioni phela la
oni la bekhambe bedla le friend then Thursday bephenduka etraining ngiba join kwakulo almost abantu bayafika maybe 14 maybe 50 so ngamile emuva like lokho ucaca ngandifila nokuthi ucoach lo kwambiza ngamenzela isitana ngihamba kwenye ichimba semphendula so lokho sakhumala abantu abengibona ngisemuva ngalo Thanya kathi ukhona mina eyangikhona ukuthi ubuye nini mafana beyanga yabona ukuthi abantu basematha kanjani nilo yabo
kwama trail setup
so mafana disiye kuqinisile sibuthi la mina yakho njani ngikhona yazwa yenzani abanye betrayela bedlala ama-footground wabiza u-fitness trainer wathi khambe ngigijima angagijima futhi ngangigijimisa ngemva kwegate ngangagijima after training wamtshela ukuthi zwana kusasa meze uyehofisini usasayina i-contract fast so manje thina amthetho uToristers awusayinile i-contract kulama agent manje ka coach saqala ntshele ucoach Clement wathi alright ngafika ngamtshela coach ukuthi it's fine ngisakhuluma noSimba then the following day yakho ngihambile sahamba safika sasayina but ukusayina futhi contract kulama izinto kanye ezikhulume but kwafika wabayithususulu futhi saphume office singasayinanga i-contract esiphumile sihambe egate bafuna kahle futhi wathi ayivalani igate phendukani sesizayike kahle ngapho aphenduka sasayina aswi akuhlalanga isikhathi iligesi zaqalisa
ohlaba ngubaba weChiefs
so sengakhothwa besides Clement kulo group ukusela ngue-Ajax kulo Reggie kulo Tutsi uReggie la wabuya second year ku-Ajax wangikhothwa first year uReggie second year
alright
then kulo Tutsi kulo Ziba then wasukuya kulo mdala wami othiwa nguJongo alisise wayekuyada Jongwe ngiyade khona phela last year ku division 1 but wacuna wayekela endlini wazokuya unyikathi
karesi
coach but kwakulo Jongo
like so ngifuna ukufaka ikhoneni just to say part of coach you just named 5 coaches who is your favorite coach
obviously coach Clement yini asikho coach ngubaba lo alabalo ku coach
obvious ukuthi ngiyeke mvu ukuthi ngathi uClement Clement
sikwazi but kulo uJongo yena lo current coach na lo coach I think that
current coaches ethi ungathi so favorite sengakwanisa ukuthi unase I'm joking
but hayi ama favorites because kulabanye abantu coach ngabona coach sezengena deep into life personal life sekutshela into zokwenza utshela ngobani omncane enza so yagcina ufeel as if like you safe maybe umuntu wakhona sedlala enye role yokuba ngubaba empilweni yakho so umuntu njalo
asithanda uexpose abantu kodwa lights out but like friend akafuni uphendula
hayi mana
ayisithanda
kunama future bebuya abacela bebona intende girlfriend evening ilayo bacela bangasa
to the 20 years like kule 20 years come on
incane 20 manje ke
hayi besibuza hayi angabi la hayi ngila
unomithisa ngole 20 time omithisa ngole nezothiwa khipha isizwe ngesikhathi
ile 20 hayi alaba manganginkini alaba ngilezivele zvele angafuni into ezinti step by hayi ubithisa ngokanjalo
achutina icheri patakako
hayi awumuntu empisana la ekhulu ya ngiqamba manje
ukuthi labantu nje
senganjani
hayi akathi ngizitsholo
but awumuntu empisana la ekhulu
kukhona school like we have talked so much about football, like football. I know football is your life, but Slavic Asamakoko. I know it is something in training his booze on personal level, like growing up in Makokova. It's something else. Like Ukulenja ne Makokova, ungabhemi manje. So kwabocha. So kwabocha.
Andikhaya ngishapini. So ngongela umuntu omdala but time. Ngoba zibithatha umuntu ekhona.
Besides so kasokubocha. Uyabali so ngithi ukuthi akubocha ukuthi ubocha uhambe ejele sini. Like so ukuthi how did you survive your childhood until your I think uzube ngaka ungazange wabhema manje ungazange wabochwa ungazange watholakala se kunjani?
I might say different but the same meaning ngakhuluma ngakho ukuthi before mina into engenza avoid into ezinjalo ungatholakala most of the time into ezinjalo because indlela engakhula ngayo o indlela engakhula ngibona umama wami esipheza ngayo ayivumeli ngitholakala uma situation nje because ngatholakala into enjalo ukuthi misembulala mama akebe ngasela into abeyenza phela true umuntu wanebe ukukhulisa nzima la ubonke lapho umuntu ongikhulisa nzima sometimes ukuthi ula ukuthi ngafika endlini uthola umuntu ade khala but ezama ukuziqinisa just because usubuyile ngafuna ukuthi ethengisile yabo so anye kuphomba ukuthi la usunqasa uthola ichance ukuthi umtshintshele impilo yakhe then just like that usuyilahlile into engenzanga but kunabangani bami ngasa obviously sibancane indlela
Get him for the change like ukuthi sizobona kulabantu yabo ukhule nabo like kuba phela uthi umuntu sengenye into kathi sibe
best friend
sengumuntu olilo kumbe ngwenjengu kumbe njani
bakhona abangani mina phela special I best friend yami ngakhona la ayisadlala ibhora sesenza into zama drugs athenza impahla but manje into ewa khona akumkhiphe away from mina ukuthi abe best nakathi lokho best friend yami but senda ama limit senda ama limit engabuya ngikhaya ngidinga ngiyakwazi ukusibili ngiphume ngihambe la isixoxe senzeni but if ngaze siyenza into zakazenzayo
awutholakali
hayi sekukhontiya ngento zakazenzayo la msenziyanga sensiyendlini sikhoza nyenge ngilahla umuntu just because umuntu wakhethe impilo ehlukene kule yami
singabantu abadala
sesithi kimi semina sesithi hayi unantu wakhethe impilo le mina ngakhetha leso
sesijajana
right akho right because at the end ukuthi khathi ngitshela umuntu onjetisayo ephilini
ngiyahleka abantu akuhlekisi
bantu sakona sukela khona la if mina ngaba ngumuntu ole pride towards abantu bona la ngakhula la because abantu abana babukela ibhola ipick up ukuthi yakona ulakho uhlangana labanye abantu bekhuluma ngami ukuthi maybe umfana unothanya wathi mesendweni ngingekho la mali ahlanya lini yabo
too much
yabo so mina if ngahamba against it's like I'm going against the system because abantu ababayi system emphakathini most of them batholakala endaweni eziningi ehlukene sengakwazi ukuthi maybe icine ukuphathela shooters ngelinye ilanga la umanga
acabanga nje ungaexpect
ngithola shooters lapha nje so abantu bakhona asikho abantu bokulahlayo
Tanya sile game yethu sithona sidlala ku-Lokshin podcast like so curious game goes like this. What's your favorite artist?
Who is your favorite?
Like who is your ngitshona sitsho njalo akazi every time just what is asikhiwa sami angizaba isibamba
English bundles are depleting.
Apha wena wahambe ezweni kanje ose German
nayo ngiyavandisa sikhuluma isikhiwo esifana naye
alright so naleso qeda usikhuluma
so vele ngiyabe ngisishayile manje baba babengizwile like so who is your favorite artist like Gobulawa ke sihlala Gobulawa kuba msizikazi ili artist
maybe ngoma zabantu endazi efonini yami le ngoma zika Light
no
Ngomile into Noah egqoka igown.
Izidoma zweni
ngangikhona ngoba ngime ngangincedisa ezinye izinto like maybe ubamba icamera wathi
Jama player literally DJ. Yakwazi ukuthi kuyafolelwa khona lokho.
Kuyaholela plus. Mina kabe kuyi
Hobby.
Yeah. Something nice ongayenza.
Something
Besides udlala ibhola kuyinonga kuyenza. Besides khona lokho futhi lokhu ngiyakwazi ngani ukujumile. Uthi uthanya encane ngiyakwazi benowa kahlali vele shoot every day. Kumbe lechona konowa vele shoot anyway.
You know shoot
every day but I look on Jumang ukuthi
But what's your hobby besides playing soccer?
I'm not allowed to put this. I'm not allowed to come in my
Besides sleeping, no watch okay China
video games.
Yeah. Yeah, but under pa.
Yeah, no video games.
Sio mzali PS.
FIFA.
FIFA. Ambonto ngizwa ke.
Awonto kwadlala.
Ambonto ngizwa ke.
Wena ngina kukho kule sinuka phela ngini.
Akuthi ukuthi ngangidla phela ke. Thatha nje isingakhuluma into eziningi. Some good ways to say to inspire upcoming footballers, like even youth awekasi. Which I mean, I'm your final guys. I've got something to say to you too.
Put us into ngabatshela yona la abantu ababuya. Endifu kulabanye futhi abanye abanjengami but behave different ways. Like mina ngabehave like why uthi phandle la. Kulaba abantu phela put us kade maybe kulabantu abayi3 ngikhuluma labo. Abantu abamfake profile picture, umposter daily. Abanye la ku Facebook. Benhlezi lo my sister laba ngithe ngiyena ku TikTok first video eqasha ukubuya ngibone kulo muntu athi imposting mapicture ami ngiyafika 5 so ezinye izinto meze eziclick wedwe kanti ukuthi if I misbehave kulo muntu othi uthanya i role model yami so mina if ngazinto ezinjani in public
so funa la wangeze khona
sembulala I future la so kumeze swe indlela zonke izinto la basiko message yama youth
message yomuntu
abantu asebefike ku level lengilo akumezanga siphiwe wild
round
in public yabo but vele obvious kukhona okuzinto siyawona vele singabantu futhi but kumeze sibe kwazi lapho esonela khona
ukuthi siyenzela the next generation to be inspired,
right? And then for ama-youth kuqakathekile ukuthi ubekwazi ukuthi into yenzayo uyenzelani because ungayenza ungena purpose ikuzothiwa umuntu wayebulala ngebhola but waphuma kuyini ukuze abungela purpose but if ungaba lento oyenzelayo like mina ngigcina ngami ngebhola exactly
so you're going to make sure ukuthi ibhola lami zalidlala emasala amasha
exactly into yakho ifuna discipline ato zonke izinto ibhola lifuna discipline I think esikole ngafundiswa ukazi emachawana but I think twabule 4 kumbe 3 D's nebholeni discipline, dedication and determination. I think so ungabona kwanza ku maintain into zona lezi akuna into yakomisa
true
akuna into yakomisa
let's have anything to say kubhuti wethu.
I just want to ask you to James ungavuka to our courage mabhena lapha nguyu MP uMelikhansela Mkhokho iziphi izinto ezi2 ongazenza uthi thiwa uyathuphumelela MP mabhena MP mabhena wasebenza wasinceda ngalokhu lalokhu
sorry nza khulumela side lami vele ngikhululekile but nza involve lokunye but I think into esibulala kakhulu futhi anjabona khathesi already abafana badlalela ku level even league badlalela esikwakwini some of former division 1 futhi asezikwakwini so then it comes to disadvantage when usuyangena ku top flight like ku premier uqasha ukudlalela elonini usudlalela eBF ozinto ngone ephansi kudinwa ngendlela omisa ngayo ibhola nasesikwakweni kuhlukene futhi ngendlela opasa ngayo esikwakweni ngapasa ibhola kancane liyahamba isikwakho but eBF kumeze ufaka ipower cause
ngoba bemfuka ubuza wena ama videos akho ngumlwana othanda uchayi ground so lokho nothi but esikwakweni ama ground phela village isomela uyo ngutsotsi
so vele yabo into wakho adjustment but kuyahlupha izinto kwankona sithi sonke singakwanisa so I think abafana la bebengakhula environment nale kungani baselonini ngani
yabo ukuthi yabo fakela iloni
exactly bekhulele endaweni njalo yabo kwenza lokho ningabahluphi ngasijani so
Iloni sayithile amanzi ayihluphi.
Exactly. And vele thina sila amanzi stadium la bya.
Ngeke sithi thwase sifuke ibhowo.
Yeah.
Sineke sayisifuna ukuthi sithole indlela yokuphampa amanzi lawa.
Kuphela ground kuphela.
Sizo sikamabhena sesingayenzakala sure I think into eziphosible nxa ukuthi umphakathi can listen to his wish. I think abantu abaningi bakufisa lokho. I think it's possible nje. Kube le loan ezindaweni zethu ama-grounds zethu sizijayeze khwalokho. I think i-professionalism ingaqalisela locally then inxa sesiya ngalo kuba easy for amabhena ukuthi bebonakala. Ngalo siyadlala esiqoqweni then sesiyafika elonini siyatrial sithola nzima ufanele lokhu ichele ibhola lifike lapha bathini sithi awule short lwana
Futhi bazweni clear
ayibazweni kakwaniso fana but awule stina.
So another thing yabona futhi asikula like la wanda amasingle mama abantu maybe obaba bethu abasifanelekilayo labogogo nama-orphans mina futhi ngisifiso sami abantu bona bana I wish ukwenzela something because vele nqamba bona ngiyafila something ngesinye isifiso sami sokuthi abantu bona bethole maybe indawo ezisafe izindlu maybe bayakhele somewhere ukuthi bengahlala bebonke bethole something ukuthi everyday babe sidla like everyone siyabo because yakubuhlungu lokwabuthasi ubuhlungu asikonto ngawufisela ukuthi umuntu edlule through khona because right now maybe khona umuntu osekhulile wakhuliswa ngomama kuphela but lezi izinto futhi azonye uzikhumbela masana kuphela kulezi izinto ezidala yabo so I think abantu bona abadinga moyo
true for example so indawo ezinjengabo not an orphanage but safe space nje ukuthi njengabo kwakudebota abantwana bodwa that is a good one. I think it's no future set your money will take us.
By the way, who's your favorite player? Let's say international, who league? Your favorite team international?
Favorite team? Menu put us.
Yeah. Singabe menu ndoda la podcast le. Vele ngaba so we menu lapha usebenzeki lawa. Usiphambanisa lapha nxa siviyo yabulokhu sikhulumela into zakho. But anyway like since you charge like you have said your inspiration, there's something kade ngikhohlwa semfuna ukukhuluma. Yeah, it's about the chase number. Ama player wonke lokhu siyababuza phela.
What you need to number?
Yeah, which is number one? What's the motive?
Which is number 4?
Yeah.
Which is number 4? Indeed, things are number 4. Kulu obviously utala kuda mawugeri pora
Fabricas.
Kulu Fabricas. Kulu Vital.
Yeah.
Yabo. Ngabantu abana vele bengavumeli nonsense ndi. From there very number le masangayithanda. Inamba yakona most of the time ikhonga abantu abala leadership qualities. Ngakuthi yakunanzela. Emateam amaningi uSergio Ramos but like number 4 abaphombi kunika anyone.
Into nje lezethu thathi nonsense.
Exactly yabo.
Umapena abathathi nonsense. Abathi iqiniso ukuthi first game yeChelsea hlala liyayilinda and angikuboni kuyinto enhle mabhena ukuthi inesuzithethe sisengathi
New Year Zimbabwe.
What's the feeling bra?
Hayi saxolisana endlini.
Saxolisana.
Alami yasemsebenzini. Ngayenza into ezinjani siyabuya endlini uyabona kuyephela ukuthi hayi sidlile but siyalamba.
But uthi vele ufuna ukuyiqeda ngayi island.
Mina vele iphutha ithi mina lana angazi but ngiyabafuna. Angifuna yena ndamfuna umveli.
Awesifane yifight emele sibuya. I think like vele sizidesign really.
Idlale lonke sithi ngabafana.
Separate sesiyakwayela indazini nasesiya kuChiefs.
But all along very genuine.
Isisonke.
I'm sure afterwards they will xoxa.
Very rough. Feeling la. I am not because afuqa mina manga. Ngiyabe ngiyi-opponent. But kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi umveli akwazi ukwenza something. Enhlizweni yami like Pia. Yeah. Lo ngumngane engimaziyo. But into wakhona yabe maybe senza something dangerous to our team. But at the end ngiyamthetha
yabana nje yana nje
aba proud.
Kanti chayile mfana.
Because maybe sise training like uChiefs uyezwa abantu bekhuluma hlala ile ndazi umbalo oribe kodwa ngomvelo so dangerous uyakwanza ukukhosa ule technique lami bengiproud umngani wami bakhuluma ngomngani wami yabo
la yabe bathi ukuthi akulo Francis Chandita
shay free kick uthanya
ayilukazi so kule story ya juniors la udala team yebatongeni hayi
kwakungu 9 versus 8 ngoyi lockdown so sasihlala 9 versus 8 amasini so thina ola bonqobi lapha sasihlala hayi kithi ola bona naza ubani unqobi babe ku8
right
babe kanjena ngoRomi but stories zakona siko right but amanda futhi ikhulu so
I thina sense eager to know
so after free kick right since like free kick nde odichayi porele wala cha sabathi menze sikumchingelo Romeo awona fala yasidlisa
Romeo keeper wepost
awona fala yasidlisa usitshela ama-James but mnade linganisola umuntu umesomo unyawo zakhe sini uthi umuntu nomesomo naye angikwazi ukuthi uzachaya ngalokhu unyawo bese ngapha uchake inyawo zonke so vele isi-Francis Chandita
Chiefs ngowathathayo
hayi into yangikhona yazi njani Buddhas unqobi la lokhu ngaloku umbone iyenze kwayile nasesikhathini sadlala ama-juniors okhipha sometimes kufuna umuntu ohlakaniphileyo okhiphe kwanza before ukhabe ibhora usumhlohle ngengqondo so ngafaka ibhora and then unqobi obvious umuntu ole technique so yabezazi into zama free kick uRomeo wafake wasemthetho ungami ngemva kwehole yabo so wafake ihole Romeo so mina ngase ngifake ibhora ngenza kani ngiyalunguza ngali so ngesikhathi ngilunguza ngasuka ngani ngiyakhuluma lapha kule space lapha so leyo engasekwazi singasakwazi ukuthi umuntu uzicabanga ngalo yabo but nangiyazi lefu uyenza
so lokuvisa kukhona technique
unqobi emthetho ungacathi ngemva kwehole so yena wayecabanga ukuthi maybe ngizayiqisa kwini ihole because ngase ngikhambe ngalunguza leya mindset leya mindset game afika ngalunguza so leyo engasakwazi ukuthi yenzeni mina ngambona ngani ucachile ngone ngani uyakhaya ngase ngakhabela khona phana yini khona straight kona bala bamshawula obile bathi ngamuze phela sithi ufuna ngenzeni mina bengakwazi umuntu ekhaya
chanyawo zonke wena
like bullet
Mtembele
it's been good to have you Tanya ku podcast yethu Lokshin podcast khona lapha eMakhokhoba. I think you're the one of the interesting person ukuthi we can spend the whole day saying your stories and listening to you. I think yangazi
futhi ngasuhamba usuvile eEurope uphenduke upodcast yasebenzisa lama equipment applied ukuze akhumbula jeke lapha
yeah so much
team office uyidlalele eEurope awusasitshelana nje njengoba like sesithi uzahambe eEurope
same place la anyahamba futhi anyahaya ukuthi I receive skwethe kade sothi I receive
asifeli kunjalo
go I receive zahambe eEurope abana futhi team every uyidlalela ngiyabona imenu le Real Madrid and believe yakona ukuthi even ngasafika ngabo Real Madrid abo menu but ukuyafika khona ngali
udlali yagenisa
safika kuphela
hayi asalumanga lesinyaka liyavuma inyaka iyavuma like I said, ladies and gentlemen, for today siphelela lapha behind the scenes, behind the camera, slow lights wakubulawayo unative uDJ omkhulu, our set designer, the production manager,
English band
akade extended the producer senjayele phela ukuthi uproducer kule singuproducer khona lapha emacamereni sesithi ladies and gentlemen, let's hope you enjoy this one. My name is Nime Mtindeti and I'm your host, the Lokshin podcast. Awe